Tameron Gulf Coast always has the best selection of pre-owned vehicles, and today we have this 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT CREW CAB. On the exterior we have heated and power door mirrors, high-intensity discharge headlights, and available four-wheel drive. On the inside you'll find leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, a power sunroof, and a wireless charging pad. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This one-owner 2018 GMC Sierra has less than 41,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.